Hello, coders, hackers, writers, analysts. Trust me, you would absolutely love what I'm about to show you. Don't say I didn't tell you, but Vim is better than all of those text and code editors you are using out there. Hey, this is not to discredit whatever software and applications you are using, but I want to show you real power and lightning speed. So I have a tab open here, and I love Python a lot. So let's say you have a meshed up Python code like the one I got here. So I just made a Google News scraper and I made a demo file so that will mess with the original file, which is what we are using for this demo. Python takes its indentation very serious, but I don't want to go indent this thing manually. My time is so precious, right? So I want to show you speed with Vim. I want to show you how much you can do with Vim. With GG, you can get to the beginning of the line, which is already there. The cursor is already there. And then if you press X equal to and capital letter G, wow, that was very fast. It just happened very fast and everything is indented automatically, right? So that is how much you can do with Vim. I mean, speed indent. You can do a lot of more stuff. So how about if you want to jump to a line in a file real quick and edit some things from there? You basically just have to use J to go down some steps. Watch my cursor going. And you can use K to go up. And you can use L to go left. And you can use H to go right. You can use W to skip by word, right? And you can use B to go back by words. And what if you want to jump to a particular line in a file? I mean, you want to jump like 4 lines down. You could use something like, let's say 3J, and automatically I am on the third line from whatever, counting from the cursor where it was placed. So imagine that the cursor now is on line 4 and I want to jump 4 more lines. All I have to do is press 4J and I am on line 8. It's as easy, moving so smoothly with Vim. And then if you want to insert, right, if you want to insert a line, underneath my cursor as it is now, you simply have to press O. Wow. And those lines are inserted automatically. How about if you press capital O? I mean, you see, I just pressed O and then automatically a new line is inserted underneath the cursor, and then I'm already in insert mode. I don't need to press escape key. I mean, I don't need to press I to get into insert mode. So you can do a lot of things with Vim. So what if for whatever reason I want to copy a whole line, and then I don't need to retype everything, copy and paste. I mean, it's a long thing. So if I press, let's say I want to copy line 1, if I press GG and get to the top of the line, I can use YYP and then the line is automatically copied for me. And then I can repeat P to keep repeating as much as I want it to do. And how do I undo these things? All I have to do is press U. So smooth. Vim is fast. I mean, if you master it, you get things done way quicker, you get things done way faster. I mean, and that is why we program with Vim. Now, one more thing. Let's say I want to access files within the present directory I'm working on. I simply have to use the E command and then use tab to move around the files I'm looking for, and then automatically it is opened. I have my Google News scraper.py opened, and if I want to see the list of buffers, because it's called buffers, right? These windows, each of these view we are having here, we have 2 files opened right now. So how do you know? I have demo.py opened and I have Google News scraper.py opened. So how do I know what files I have open right now? So I can use .ls and then see the files. I have demo.py, and you can see I also have Google News scraper.py. So now which one is active right here in this buffer, where you can see that 2 is active because you can see percentage A, right? It signifies that it's active. A for active, right? A for active. So I can easily jump to any of these buffers with just using the command B, pick any of the numbers I'm interested in one, and then switch over immediately and keep on editing my files. In closing, if you want to know how much you can do with Vim, you simply have to stay tuned to this channel, because this month, every Saturdays, I'm going to post content about Vim. So to get notified, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel and then hit the notification icon, so that whenever I make those posts on Saturdays, you will get involved, you will get informed. So I'm going to go full Vim tutorial. I mean, you can do magic with Vim. These are just little things I just showed you. There are so much more you can do with Vim. In fact, do you really want to know how to query Stack Overflow while inside and without ever exiting Vim? Then subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.